Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu with a pen tablet. First, ensure your pen tablet is properly connected to your computer. Next, install the latest drivers for your specific tablet model. This is crucial for customization. Then, open your tablet's driver software and adjust the active area to match your screen or a comfortable portion of it. This initial setup is vital for a smooth experience. Once your tablet is set up, launch Asu and head to the Options menu. It's a good idea to disable mouse buttons to prevent accidental clicks while playing with your pen. Next, consider your game resolution. A lower resolution can sometimes make targets appear larger. Finally, experiment with raw input and mouse sensitivity settings to find what feels most natural for your pen movements. Now, let's talk about your pen grip. There's no single best way, so find a grip that feels comfortable and allows for precise, fluid movements. You'll also need to decide if you prefer hovering your pen just above the tablet surface or lightly dragging it. Both styles have their advantages, so try both. Consistent practice across various map difficulties will help you adapt and refine your unique playstyle. Improving in Asu with a pen tablet takes time and consistent practice. Don't get discouraged. Every player starts somewhere. Challenge yourself with new maps and gradually increase difficulty. Watching professional Asu, players can also provide valuable insights into advanced techniques and movement patterns. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see your skills soar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.